This is our church. We've had it for a few years, but as you can see, it's in a dilapidated state, and we really don't have the money to put into it. As you can see, nearly every single window is broken. And it's the county, or excuse me, the township is thinking about tearing this place down when it's been here for nearly 2 centuries. It was built in 1867. Again, you can see the windows are all in poor shape. There's 2 windows that are actually intact. We have a big hole in the roof where water rains in all the time. The bell tower is in pretty good shape, actually, but we just don't have the money to put into this place. We'd like to get it restored to near original condition. I don't know if we can see the stones here, but we'll give it a try. Built in 1867. Let's take a look on the inside.